Alright. That's my thumbnail, don't judge me. Alright, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Back with the acne face. Nah, I'm just playing. Let me zoom out. I'm tripping. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Now, when I come back with another video, hey man, say man, look. I keep trying to tell y'all, man, if y'all want the edited version of me, man, y'all gotta go to my second channel. First link in the description to my second channel. Make sure y'all go check that out. Now, look, man, today, you know what I'm saying? We coming with a simple video. You dig what I'm saying? So, look. I'm not editing. I told y'all, if y'all want to edit, if y'all want the edits and stuff like that, y'all gotta go to my second channel. First link in the description. Alright, so look, peep, right? Also, make sure before the video even starts, hold on. Make sure that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you get a notification for every single video. Comment any questions, y'all wanna know anything about my dreads, anything like that, you know what I'm saying? We starting back to get consistent. So comment any questions down below. Make sure that like button on the video. Let's get straight into it. I don't wanna say anything that I say in my other videos, because I be telling y'all, like, people be asking me, like, what kind of haircut you got. Y'all basically be asking me like the same type of questions, this and then the third. And I be telling y'all like I be making whole videos on what type of haircuts I got, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. But this is my 2 months. This is my 2 month things with the. I think I'm gonna take my 2-strand twist out this week, and if I do, y'all gonna get a video on that. Man, look, bro, I'm doing my best. We are going to daily upload, okay? For this whole month, we are going to daily upload. And also, for my second channel, I will be posting 3 times a week on my second channel. So like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you go down there, check out my second channel after this video, all right? But, no cap, bro, I gotta put in my braces. I gotta put in my braces. I gotta put in my rubber bands right quick as well, just before I go to sleep. But what was I saying? Yo, look, we on the 2 months. We on the 2 months with the 2-strand twist. You feel me? To be 100 with y'all, bro, they really have been they're very steady. You know what I'm saying? Like sturdy. That's what I meant to say. Sturdy. They're very sturdy, bro. Cause usually, like, the rubber bands are like popping off just a little bit on like 1 or 2. See, like on this one. Like on this one, bro, you see at the end, like the rubber bands are popping off. But that's the only thing. That's the only thing that's been going on with the. That's the only thing that's been going kind of bad with it. Not really bad, but you know, it's about that time. Like, it's letting you know, like, hey, look, bro, we on our last leg. Like, it's about that time, you feel me? But I kind of hate my rubber bands. I never can lick my whole lips. I gotta. Anyways, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to give y'all the 2-strand twist dread update. I did get these retwisted. I got my hair retwisted and the 2-strand twisted 2 months ago. So if y'all haven't already, I think it's gonna say like a month ago, but it's the one with 6.1K at this moment in time. So make sure y'all go check out my retwist video. It's been like a month ago or so, but it has been 2 months. Don't worry about the analytics and stuff. It's been 2 months. I've been calculating the whole thing. But nah, at the same time, bro, like I've been telling y'all, bro, everything's good. Everything's been staying up, and like I just said, bro, the rubber bands are starting to come off. Like, yo, comment down below if y'all want to see me like undo my hair. Like, I'm really thinking about untwisting them. And of course, it's gonna be way longer than this. That's why I really haven't made any dread journey video, because I can't really make the dread journey video because I know my hair, like, just in the 2-strand twist, my hair is damn near to my shoulder. You dig what I'm saying? But I know once I unravel these, like, I guarantee you, bro, this is gonna be below my nose. Like, this dread right here, these 2 dreads, because it's in the 2-strand twist, it's gonna be below my nose. And I know for a fact these are gonna be touching like the bottom of my neck. You know what I'm saying? Because if y'all don't know, like, if you do like curls, any like hairstyle, this and that and the third, it's shrinkage. You feel what I'm saying? And plus 2 of them together, so you know it's gonna shrink. But like I said, if y'all haven't checked out that video of me getting my hair retwisted, like the whole process, this and that third, I'm gonna make sure to vlog like a better version once I get my hair retwisted. in like a month or two. A lot of y'all be asking me, yo, like, how often do you get your dreads retwisted? How often do you retwist them? How often do you wash? This and that and the third. I'm gonna keep telling y'all the whole this and that in the video, bro. Look, I'm gonna keep telling y'all each and every video. Look, bro, I get my dreads retwisted when I want to get. I get my dreads retwisted when I want to. I try to do it. Ain't gonna cap. I try to do it within like 4 months. Ain't gonna cap. Some people like, yo, do it in 2, this and that and the third. But y'all see, like right here, y'all can still see my roots. You feel what I'm saying? These are in 2-strand twisted, so you kind of you're going to be able to see the roots in the 2-strand twist hairstyle. But at the same time, bro, I feel like 2 months. I'm not spending $100 every 2 months, bro. We just not gonna do that. You know what I'm saying? We not going towards the end of the year spending $600 per year. Like it's 12 months. It's 12 months in a year, right? Every 2 months, that's 6 months, right? That's $600 within a year. Y'all gotta think. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that on dreads. You know what I'm saying? Especially if I don't even retwist my dreads. I told y'all the reason the video before, bro. I'm not gonna sit here, and I don't have the patience to sit here and just like retwist my whole head, bro. I feel like I got a lot of hair. Do it look like I got a lot of hair? I feel like I have a lot of hair. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Because we drinking water. That's what y'all need to do. This is a reminder. Make sure you drink your bottle of water. You know what I'm saying? Drink at least one a day. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's why I got all these little goddamn pimples, because niggas won't goddamn drink water. You feel me? So I'm starting to back to drink water too. Also, I told y'all a little something about this last video, so if you haven't already, go check out the video before this. I gave y'all a little skincare routine about razor bumps and stuff like that last video. I told y'all what lotion I be putting on my face and stuff like that. But anyways, man, it's been going good. I don't know. This is like this right here, bro. It's like another dread popping out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it is in the 2-strand twist, but you know how like when you have one dread and then like another dread be popping out the side of that dread? I think this is what this is, you know what I'm saying? And it really don't make no difference, but as you can see on one of these, which one is it? Which one is it? I don't know, I gotta find it. But on one of these, bro, like one dread is like way shorter than the other one. But yeah, man, any questions that y'all do have, y'all need to go in and comment them bitches. Cause y'all be asking like the same questions, but it be different people though. You know what I'm saying? It be new people that come over to my channel, and one dude, he keep blowing me up about his dreads. You know what I'm saying? It's cool to text me, y'all. It's cool to text me on Instagram, this and the third. But don't text me every single second, minute of the day. I know y'all be wanting to talk to a nigga, but look, bro, like I know one dude, a nigga be texting me like, I don't know how many times a day. You know what I'm saying? I be texting him back, of course, but I be telling him, like, bro, I'm in the middle of doing homework right now. You feel me? I do my best. I'm starting to do my best to post for y'all, and this is like a message to like the supporters and stuff. I'm starting to do my best to post for y'all each and every day on this channel, and then for my second channel, if you haven't already, go subscribe, bro. Hit that link in the description. Go subscribe to my second channel. You feel what I'm saying? I'm posting over there 3 times a day. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me get a thumbnail. Let me get it. Dude, alright. I can't even see myself. I gotta look in the mirror and just to see myself. That's why y'all see me like looking over here. There's some mirrors right here. But anyways, y'all see that. But we talked a little bit about this. You know what I'm saying? The dread bonnet. A lot of y'all been telling me, hey bro, man, I'll get a bonnet. Yo, look, this is my bonnet, my guy. You feel me? This is my dread bonnet. This is like when I play sports. You feel me? Like to keep my dreads on my face. Cause look, bro, I might make a video on why you shouldn't get dreads. But look, ultimately, I love my dreads. You feel what I'm saying? I love my hair. I love my long hair. I honestly feel like I wouldn't be feeling as powerful as I feel without my hair. You dig what I'm saying? I feel like I'll be bald. I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like my hair is my power. You get what I'm saying? I guess it's something, but this right here, it definitely come in handy if you got like, you don't have to buy a battle headband, no sponsorship, but you can get like a $2 headband, like just like a headband like this without the battle name on it, and like a hair supply store, you feel me? So when you play sports and this and that and the third. I usually pull mine back. If you playing soccer, bro, go on to pull yours back. If you playing football, you probably gonna need like a cap or some I don't know. I don't know, my dreads wasn't long when I was playing all those sports and this and that and the third. But this has been another video, so make sure to hit the subscribe button. Comment anything that y'all want down below. Comment what type of video ideas. Comment anything, bro. Just anything y'all want. Any questions, anything like that. My Instagram is down below. Make sure you go follow my Instagram. Hit that subscribe button for this channel. Hit that like button for this video. Turn on post notifications for this channel. Also, link in the description to my second channel. Catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.